So hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to discuss about the order of the execution of clauses in a SQL query. So generally when we write a SQL query, we start with the select clause and then we write from, where, group by, like that we write the SQL query. But this is not the order in which compiler reads them when the query is executed. Okay, so this is what we are gonna discuss because it's very important to know the order in which the clauses are executed. This helps us in framing our logic while writing the SQL query. Although this is a very pretty simple thing, but still very important. So I would take a very simple example to explain this. Suppose that you have an employee table, okay, and from that employee table you want to get the number of Indian employees in each department. Okay, so you want top 3 such departments based on the number of Indian employees in them. So for this the query would be very simple, and you will write maybe like this: select department ID, department name, and then count star as number of employees, from employee, where country is India, group by department, and then order by number of employees in descending order, and then limit 3. Okay, so this will be the query to select the number of employees from each department and getting the top 3 departments. So as you can see, like first we have written the select clause, then from, then where, then group by, then order by, and then limit. So this is the order in which we have written our SQL query. So let us discuss how compiler reads them, the order in which compiler executes this query when we run this query. So when we run the query, the compiler will first go to the from clause. Okay, it will get the table which we want to process. So it will find that table in the from clause. So it will first go to the from clause. Here we have specified the employee table, so it will get the employee table, and on this table it will do the further processing. Okay, so after from clause it will go to the where clause. Okay, it will apply the filter condition on this employee table, and the result that it will get after applying the filter condition, on that result it will do the further processing. Okay, so here we have specified the filter condition that country should be India. So from all the rows in the employee table, it will get only those rows where the value of country column is India. Okay, it will get those rows and it will leave the employee table behind, and on this result, on these rows where country is India, it will do the further processing. So on this result it will apply the group by clause. Okay, so next it will go to group by clause, and we have specified that we should group as per department. So what it will do, it will create groups on in this result based on department column, so that in each group same value of a department appears. Okay, so groups will be created based on department value. After that it will go to the order by clause, and it will order after group by it will go to the select clause. So after group by it will go to the select clause, and it will select all the specified columns in this result. So it will get department ID column, department name column, and count star, like count of number of rows in each group as number of employees. Okay, so this it will get out of this result, and then it will go to the order by clause, and it will order the final result in the descending order of the number of employees. Okay, so rows will be arranged as per the number of employees column in the descending order. Okay, so after select clause it will go to the order by clause, and after order by clause we have limit also in our query, so it will go to the limit clause finally, and it will get the top 3 rows out of the final result, and it will give the final 3 rows as the output. So the important thing here is not to understand the logic behind the query or the things that we have specified in our query. The important thing is to understand the order in which clauses are getting executed. Okay, it's okay if you have not understood the logic of the query, but it's important to understand like how compiler is going to the order in which compiler is going to every clause. So let me just pardon the order in which compiler has executed this query. So first it has executed the from clause, then where, then group by, then select, then order by, and then finally limit. If we have having although in this query we are not having the having clause, if we have having clause after group by, then it will first go to the having clause after group by, and after having it will go to the select clause. Okay, so if we have having in our query, the order of execution will be like from, then where, then group by, then having, then select, then order by, and then finally limit. So this is the order in which compiler will execute this query.